and welcome back to Everything DIY. It is finally time to do a new install video on our speed. I know it's been a while, but we decided to put this Corksport carbon fiber hood scoop on there. So if you're interested in seeing how we do that, keep watching. So here's a closer look at the part we're going to be installing today. It's going to be pretty straightforward. The tools we're going to be using are, well, our own hands, screwdriver, ratchet, and socket. Now we're going to go under the hood and locate the ducting for the intercooler. We do need to remove this, so the first step to doing that is removing these 3 retaining clips, although it looks like 2 of mine have already fallen out and this one seems to be broken as well, so I'm just going to pull it out. So for those of you who aren't missing more than half of your retaining clips and or they aren't broken, you're just going to want to pop off this little guy right here and then you can pull out the retaining clip. Next is to remove all the bolts around the ducting. So we have for ours a 10mm socket. Yeah, I left one on just to keep it on there while I was unscrewing the rest. Alright. Obviously now would be a really good time to clean up all that dirt you see. This is about 8 years collected, so yeah, that would be a good idea. And then we're going to go ahead and remove these 3 bolts holding the hood scoop on. Now it's time to remove the hood scoop from the car. Mazda does like to be a little bit of a sadist, and they install these little retaining clips here, which are not my favorite, I have to admit. You have to, well, I've done this one, so you can kind of see what it looks like, but you have to get some, even those pliers, get in there and squeeze the edges in a way that's somewhat helpful. And then you're gonna push up. You gotta just work on it. Push up until it releases the clips. Now that we've popped out those stupid black retainers, you can take the hood scoop off gently so you don't scratch your paint. Maybe I should just leave it like this, you know, better airflow. I'm just kidding. No, okay, so it's a better time to clean again. Gonna get some of this dirt and grime off. So at this point, Corksport recommends that you reuse the foam washers that are around the bolts and put them onto the other one. Problem is, this is an 8-year-old car and ours are all kind of just chipping off, rotting away. So what I've done is create some of these little foam pads to act as barriers on the hood, just, you know, for some protection. Now that we have the foam pad protection, little barrier things, I'm just gonna get our hood scoop into place here. Make sure not to scratch anything. There. There we go. Okay, now that the hood scoop's in place, we can secure it down. This time though, we have 6 bolts to work with, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, and 6. So up in the middle and then in the back. Okay, now it's time to put the ducting back in place. Now that those are all down, the last thing to do is replace this little broken retaining clip. We are going to replace these, but you know, might as well just in case. That's it. It's on. Yeah, so it's not that difficult of an install, honestly. It's a pretty popular one, which is one of the reasons we decided to do it. Although looking in at it, I don't know if this is the right one for us particularly. So we may not be keeping it on the car. Which, hey, maybe we'll do a sort of impromptu giveaway soon. Obviously, just for speeds. But yeah, comment down below if you like it. Like I said, maybe not the one for us, but that's the install video. We hope it's helpful for you. And stay tuned after the video, or after I'm not on camera anymore. I will roll some pictures of it on the car to show you kind of what it looks like all around. But that's it. So if you liked this video, please thumb it up. If you want to see more from us, subscribe. And obviously, questions and comments down below, and we'll see you in our next one.